Hey guys, today we're going to have some fun trying out different photo face swaps using AI. So what we're going to do first is fire up Pinokio and get FaceFusion open. It's got this straightforward interface that's really easy to use for creating some pretty amazing images and face swaps. We'll make sure to keep the face swapper and face enhancer features turned on. Now we've got everything set up to upload our source and target photos. Let's start by uploading a photo of Elon Musk. Just a quick click and upload, and there we go. Next, we're aiming to transform Elon into his younger self, dreaming about building an electric motorcycle. So we'll upload a photo of a little kid on a toy motorcycle looking all dreamy. After uploading the kid's photo, we hit a snag. Looks like we need to tweak something in the interface because the preview doesn't show any changes. Let's mess around with the settings a bit and see what's up. We tried changing the age setting in the face analyzer to child, but no dice, still the same. Even messing with the face selector mode didn't do the trick. Finally, we switched the face detector model to UNet, and boom, we've got the result showing in the preview. So, for face swaps with still images, switching to the UNet model is the way to go. We hit start, and in less than a second, bam, we've got our photo of mini Elon with his electric car dreams. Downloading and opening the image, it's pretty impressive. Elon's face fits perfectly on the kid, without any weird edges or color mismatches. The hair looks a bit off, but overall, it's really well done. Now let's try this with another image. We clear everything and upload a photo of Tom Cruise. We're thinking of aging him up a bit, maybe making him a bit balder, meditating on a beach. Since we've already got the right model selected, the preview instantly shows us the result. There's a bit of a weird spot on the forehead. So we try switching the model again. It's a bit more noticeable now. So we switch back, deciding to overlook the slight imperfection since it seems to be part of the original model's forehead. Hitting start, we download the image and it's a solid face swap. It blends Tom's features seamlessly with the original photo. For one last go, we clear out everything and upload a photo of Trump, imagining him as a mischievous kid in a timeout corner. We upload the images and the result is just hilarious. All right, let's jump straight into Akool. First up, we head over to faceswap.akool.com, where we'll either log in or sign up for a new account to snag ourselves 50 credits. We're kicking things off with a photo of someone doing yoga, and we're going to slap Tom Cruise's face right onto it. So we upload the yoga photo, pick out Tom's face from our reference pic, and boom, we're set. Now there's this face enhance feature, but it's off limits for us free account folks, so we're skipping it. We hit the button for a high quality face swap and zip straight to the results. The swap happens in a flash, and honestly, it looks fantastic. The skin tone matches are on point, though there's a bit of a catch. We've got a watermark on our image. If you're not a fan of watermarks, they've got paid plans that can take care of that and unlock more features. Moving on to the next picture, we head back to the main screen and get ready to bring baby Elon and his toy motorcycle to life. We upload Elon's pic, select his face, and get the face swap rolling. Straight to the results we go, and it's another win. The image looks great. We download our masterpiece and gear up for the final round. By now, we've used up 8 of our credits. Time for the third image. We're thinking a spoiled little troublemaker version of Trump. We upload, select his face, do the swap, and check out our handiwork. Yet again, Akool nails it. The results speak for themselves. Clearly, Akool's got this face swap thing down to an art. Let's give SwapFace a whirl. We'll head over to swapface.org, and if we haven't already, download the app. If we're all set up, we just log in and navigate to the image face swap section. On the left side, we upload the photo whose face we want to swap. The app's pretty slick. It automatically finds the face in the photo and shows it in the bottom right section. Next step, we head to the bottom left, hit upload, and add the face we're going to swap in. We pick a photo of Elon, upload it, and voila! It automatically pairs with the detected face in the first photo. We hit start, and just like that, we're done. Opening our image, the result is seriously impressive. SwapFace really nails it, especially with the hair, though it does slap a watermark on the free images. Time for a reset. We're moving on to our mischievous little kiddo next. We try uploading a photo of Trump, but sometimes these apps get a bit picky with certain faces, tagging them as sensitive content and blocking the upload. We switch gears and upload Tom Cruise's photo instead, select it, hit start, and eagerly await the outcome. And there it is, a hilariously cheeky result with little Tom on a timeout in the corner. Next up, let's give Reface a try. Head on over to Reface.AI, hit the Swap Face button, and either sign up or log into your account. We're going to kick things off with a yoga photo and give it the Tom Cruise treatment. Click on Add Face to upload the reference photo, select Tom's face, and just like that, we're ready to roll. Now hit Swap Faces, it's super quick. In just a few seconds, we've got our swapped masterpiece. There's this cool slider next to the download button that lets you toggle between the before and after views. Download the pic and voila, phase 1 is complete. We've got a kid on a toy motorcycle. Click on Add Face again, upload Elon's photo this time, select it, hit Swap Faces, and bam, another creation ready to be admired. Slide to view the before and after, then download your work. Now, for the grand finale with our mischievous little character, we upload the base photo and add Trump's photo as the reference. Hit Swap Faces and, oh no, looks like we're out of credits. But hey, the important thing to note is that Reface doesn't block Trump's or anyone else's face, leaving you free to experiment to your heart's content. So we're diving into Fooocus next. First things first, we head over to the URL on your screen and grab the app following the instructions there. By the way, all of the URLs in this video are listed in the description as well. While that's downloading, we scoot over to 7zip.org. To download a tool, we'll need to unzip our download. If you've already got it or another zip tool, you're a step ahead. With everything downloaded, we unzip and launch the app by running the run.bat file. And just like that, we're in the Fooocus interface. Super straightforward, no fluff, just what we need. Fooocus is like the all-star team of image generators, pulling together the best bits of Midjourney, DALL-E 3, and Leonardo AI all in one spot. But is it good for face swaps? We're about to find out. We kick off with testing the image generator. We throw a detailed prompt at it and bam, 2 vibrant detailed images pop out. This thing's definitely got brains. Next, we explore the advanced settings. There's a buffet of style options, and hovering over them gives us a sneak peek of what they're about. We can decide how many images to generate per prompt, pick our model, and even download new ones later if we want. There's also a spot to upload reference images, upscale, and play with in-paint and out-paint options. But let's grab our generated images before we forget. Now, we're curious about face swaps. We upload a photo of Trump, hit the face swap option, and tinker with the stop at and wait settings. The goal? Get Trump's face on a kid's body. We craft our prompt, hit generate, and we get 2 images. One's a kid that misses the mark on the face swap, and the other's an adult looking a bit like Trump with all the right prompt elements. Attempt number 2, we adjust our prompt for a different scene, and the results are solid, with a likeness to Trump. Feeling adventurous, we add a second reference image and turn on the Pyrocani option, adjusting the weight to guide the model. The output? 2 standout images that nail the prompt and reference blend, though the face swap remains elusive. Changing tactics, we adjust the wait and stop at values, hoping for a grumpy old man resembling Trump. And it works better this time. Thinking a name drop might sharpen the results, we include Donald Trump in our next prompt. The result? Spot on. We've got Trump's face clear as day. Next up, Elon Musk as a toddler on a toy motorcycle. We're getting the hang of this, so we drop his name into the prompt, add some details, and voila, a toddler Elon on his bike, beard and all, impressively done. Lastly, we test Tom Cruise, aiming for a bald look. The results are amazing, face-wise, but the bald part, not so much. Even after tweaking prompts and settings, bald Tom remains elusive. Yet, it's clear Fooocus lets us play with endless possibilities, getting us closer to what we're after with each try.
All right, so we took a whirlwind tour through a bunch of face swapping and image generating tools, each with its own quirks and features, from Akool's straightforward swap to Reface's quick and easy face swaps, then over to SwapFace with its impressive hair handling, and finally Fooocus, or however you say that, which is more of an all-in-one image powerhouse with a bit of a learning curve but loads of potential. Each tool has its ups and downs, like watermarks on free versions or the occasional hiccup with certain photos, but overall, they're pretty awesome for whipping up some fun or impressive images. Whether you're looking to swap faces, dive into detailed image generation, or just mess around with what AI can do, there's a tool out there that's got you covered. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, I hope you will consider hitting the like button and the subscribe button. It really helps a small channel like mine.